Our next chapter is going to be chemistry related. We're going to talk about atoms and matter. Some things we're going to be able to do is classify matter as elements, compounds, or mixtures. We're going to be able to use the periodic table and tell the differences between different elements and how they're related and how they're alike and different. And then we're also going to be talk about chemical and physical changes. So, some important terms there. We're going to talk about matter. Everything is made of matter. We're going to talk about the parts of an atom, the nucleus, electrons, protons, and neutrons. We're going to talk about what that means. They're going to make up isotopes and ions, which we'll get into, and then compounds and mixtures. So there's not a ton on this, but it's pretty in-depth. I know in 6th grade, I think you went over this quite a bit, but we're going to go more in-depth. So we're going to name the parts of the atom, locations, and what they do as a charge. We'll calculate the mass of an atom, okay, atomic mass units. And we'll talk about the atomic number and what that means. So the atomic mass and the atomic number and what those things mean. It's not as scary as it seems. There's 15 common symbols on the periodic table that I want you to know. Some of them are easy, like O is oxygen, He is helium. There are some of them a little more difficult, like copper is Cu, things like that. So you're going to need to know a select few. You're going to be able to use the periodic table to identify element characteristics, compare and contrast compounds and mixtures. We're going to talk about homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures and what that means. And then we're going to be describe and illustrate matter using graphs. So everything matter related. Some of you guys will take chemistry in high school, but this is a good precursor for that.